For special requirements in hygienic areas, we recommend a skirting system which is easy to maintain and easy to install. We recommend a flash coving, especially for hygienic areas. For this system, we recommend to use a solvent-free adhesive tape called Profix 90 and the cushion edge profile like that. Important is to start first with a tape on the wall, fix the profile to the wall. Important is to cut the profile 45 degrees for the inner and outer corners, and then apply the Profix 90 on the floor. Cut the flooring that we have at the end, 10 on the flooring and 10 on the wall, the right size, and then start to install the sheets. Important is to cut the outer and inner corners with a template just to ensure that we have a perfect corners. Then weld the seams with our cold welding paste, and after 12 hours remove the cold welding in excess.